Hello, my dear traders. Today we are going to evaluate two indicators. So, which one will bring us to the maximum profit and which one will just make us lose money? So, I will use them alternately and try to squeeze the most out of each one. So I'm so curious to see like what we will get, and like I've never conducted like such experiments before, and I'm really eager to start. So this is your Marion, so subscribe to the channel, and now let's find out which indicator will give us a boost in trading. So we will start from the RSI, as you see, and I will go with the default settings. And okay, so relative strength index is a technical indicator that measures the speed and change of price moments in the market. It fluctuates between like 0 and 100 and helps to determine the overbought and oversold level of an asset. So RSI is often used by traders to identify signals to buy or sell assets. So also let's see how it will all work out for us. In the first currency pair from this peak of the price, so the situation went down in pretty rapid way. So the RSI is showing us the same thing, and you see all peaks of the waves right over here. It is pretty convenient for us. So nevertheless, let's see what I will have in our current situation. So in the last 10 or 15 candlesticks, the line is on the level of 30. And okay, let's see, I will go with the line from now on and check the situation with call option. It's almost $30 in my account, and you see that we are working with this little wave, the little developing wave, and looking at the RSI indicator. And you can also see that the situation is like going up right over here, and you can see this kind of really little peaks of the line right over here. It was in the corridor right over here, oversold area, and right now again in the corridor, and that because we just went with this volatile movement. So really cool, and I'm really grateful. So let's see what I will have in the next currency pair, American dollar and Egypt pound. So let's see what the whole situation. So how to use the RSI in the trading, and I will give you some points. So the first one will be overbought and oversold levels. The RSI is considered overbought when it exceeds their 70 level and oversold when it falls below 30. Traders can use these levels to determine when the anti-opposition, this kind of strategy, this kind of using. I'm using always because it is really convenient, firstly. And the good example was in the first currency pair. If I tell you that now I'm giving you your first rewards from trading it's $1,000, will you follow my steps? I believe that you will do. So now, please keep your attention because the source I'm sharing with you is actually a key for your reward. I'm sharing with you the real-time trading signals on my Telegram channel, so all of you can gain this $1,000 just in a few hours of trading and a few clicks. Trades which I'm sharing give up to 9% of profit, so with even $100 you can gain your $1,000 easily. Remember, who doesn't try never gets. So don't waste this opportunity. Follow my Telegram channel. Link you will find in the description, and see you there. Let's see what I will have right away here. Not really rapid bullish moment on our eyes, and nevertheless here we are with this peak of the price, and after that the situation went down. And you see RSI is showing us again the rising of the price, and still we are here with this long green candlestick, and we need to be really attentive because the whole situation was showing us that the situation may go down. And let's see like $28 in my investment box, and I will go with the call option. So guys, you can see that sometimes in trading, time is really also a main thing, because you see I'm here with the 30 seconds time expiration and 2 minutes from time frame, and I just saw that the developing for this candlestick was like 1 in 5 minutes. And that's because I just went with it and thought that in 30 seconds I will be just in time. And yes, I was right, and thanks to, of course, our syndicate. I mentioned to you before that the line is going up, and yes, let's go and see what I will have in the next currency pair. So 93% of payout, it's really like this, like feature. Nevertheless, looking at this downfall, it is volatile, waves are pretty long. Let's see. And while I'm looking to the whole graphic in the last few hours, I will talk about divergences, a second form divergences with the price, which can indicate that the trend change is imminent. So, for example, if the price continues to rise but the RSI is falling, so it could be a signal of a possible downward reversal. So, nevertheless, we're working with a downfall right now. Still, we need to be really attentive and see what I will have. So $50 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with put option. Wow guys, so it's $100 in my pocket, and you see that we are here with the developing a little wave that is going down. So yes, it was pretty obvious and the easy trade for me. I just went with the trend and with the RSI indicator signal. So let's go to the next currency pair. Okay, so the situation is like that, and what can I say? Let's see what I will have right over here. I'm not really sure, and nevertheless, let's go. So I will not waste any time. I want to check my $100 and go with put option. So well guys, I'm in a profit again. I'm really happy about it because it was pretty easy. Again, it was just going like the trend, and like if you look at the last few hours and you see when we just started out like our trend, RSI rapidly went down. It is in oversold area. Nevertheless, it is like rest, so the next levels I can say it is like 15%, the level of 15. So let's go to the next currency pair and talk about crossing signals. Traders often use crossing our sidelines with their middle line, usually like 50, a signal sign to enter trades. For example, an RSI crossed above 50 may indicate the beginning of an uptrend. And let's see how it will work out right over here. And I will check this kind of situation because you can see that in the last hour the situation is like going straight forward, and we need to be really attentive to this fact. So I want to check, you know guys, in this currency pair we'll go with $90 and we'll go with the call option. So guys, unfortunately we lost our $90 still, and wow, you see the signals were not really bright over here. Yeah, there were now, and they are not really clear. So if we look at the RSI indicator, especially when I just started the trade, because you see a line is in the middle of the quarter, so like I didn't catch my right moment. And also it's pretty dangerous to work in this current kind of situation where the price is going like straight forward in a volatile way. So it is all about, guys, personal experience and knowledge of trading and binary options. But you can see that sometimes it is not really working out. It is like unlucky situations, just like for me. Nevertheless, I really want to double my sum, and that's because I will go to the next currency pair And let's see, we're working with the uptrend after this kind of wavy situation, and nevertheless, let's see how it will work out here. But before that, I want firstly change my investment blocks to $100 and see more like graphic of this situation. Wait a little bit more for that report, and while I'm waiting, I will talk about trend confirmation. RSI can be used to confirm the current trend in the market. If the price is rising and the RSI remains about 50, it may indicate the trend of an uptrend. Let's see how it will work out here. And yes, 100 are on, and I will go with call option. Guys, going with the trend and going pretty successfully thanks to RSI indicator that showed me that the line is in overbought area, and it's still going like that. So still the time frame for candlestick were also really good signal for us, because I just thought I will be in time with my call option, and it happened like that. You know what? Keep in mind that RSI should be used in combination with other indicators and trading strategies for more accurate signals. But today I can also want to use one more indicator, also in individual way. That because I will delete RSI indicator and go to the list of indicators and go to MACD, and I will stay with it with the default setting also. And you know what? Let's go to the first currency pair. And I will go to the second circle. And what is MACD? What is moving average convergence and divergence? It is technical indicator created by Gerald Apple, which is used to analyze and predict price movement in the market. It consists of two moving averages, and moving average fast and slow, and a histogram that reflects the difference between these two averages. So I will also talk about how it can be used in easy and profitable ways. So nevertheless, I want to try myself in the first trade. Still don't follow the price, but in the last 7-8 candlesticks, the situation is like that. So it's kind of sleepy. Still, I want to try myself. Let's see, I will go with $190 and check the situation with call option. So guys, 300.5 in my pocket, and you see we're working with just cool signals from the indicator, and you can see that after this intersection the green line went above the red one. And also looking at the histogram, and we are seeing that the bus changed its move. It's crossed the level of 0, and right now they're above it. So and that's because we are working with these two last green candlesticks. It's really cool. Let's see how it will go in the next currency pair. And let's talk about the buy or sell signals. So traders use the crossovers, so the fast and slow moving averages as signals to anti-trade. When the fast line crosses the slow line from bottom to top, it is considered to buy signal, bullish signal. So when the crossover occurs from top to bottom, it is a sell signal to bearish signal. So let's see how it will work out here. So still don't follow the price. The situation developed a little bit, so not really rapid. Construction, as you can see. So still, I want to try myself because I'm pretty confident. Let's see, $365, and we will check the situation with put option. So guys, the risky situation. So I was really nervous, and still I'm with my double sum. You see that? So the situation is like that. It is going up and down. The wall between bulls and bears is really tough. So still looking at MACD indicator, was in 80% of payout. So come with it. Come with my put option, because you can see that the red one has a pretty big distance between the green one. And yes, looking at the histogram, we're working right with our put option. And let's see how it will go in the next currency pair. You see that divergence in this currency pair or in this indicator is a really important thing too, because similar to RSI, MACD also can create divergence with price indicating a possible change in the trend. And for example, if the price continues to rise but the MACD begins to decline, this could be a signal of an imminent downward reversal. Still, we are having again this currency pair, and the situation gives us also a really cool little wave. So, and right now it is raising, and we need to catch our right moment, and let's see $700 in buy investment box, and I will check the situation with put option. So guys, not really rapid developing on the candlesticks. So on our eyes still, it was pretty risky and dangerous situation, and I'm with my $1,000. It's really excited about it. So, and you see that if we look at MACD indicator, we will see this kind of narrowing situation on this kind of part of the picture. And I just went with it firstly. So secondly, you can see this kind of thing, also really narrowing situation with the candlesticks. So it was our question. So next question. Also really thanks for to this kind of signals. So let's see how it will go to the next currency pair. So histogram. The MACD histogram shows the difference between the fast and slow moving averages. So positive histogram values indicate the increasing moments in an uptrend, while negative values indicate momentum in a downtrend. So that's because I'm telling you to always refer your decisions with the all signers for indicators. So let's see how it will go. It is a rebound of the price. That's because it's really risky, guys, to trade right over here, but I want to try myself, and you know what, I want to check it. $500 in my pocket, and we'll go with put option. So guys, as you can see, I'm here with not really good results. Still, I was really concerned to trade in this kind of situation. So it seems to be a really easy sell. I just went with the trend, so you can see that it's really big, like the bear. So where it was working, and we're working really hard in the price a long time, and I thought it will be our cool moment in the next 30 seconds. I will just catch up my moment with put option. So nevertheless, you can see here that MACD was right in this kind of situation, because we are here with the intersection between the red and the green line. So, but see that the candlestick is really short right over here, and yeah, that some few seconds to develop. So nevertheless, I think it will be not cool rebound of the price. Yeah. So it will be just another little wave, I think. Ooh, still we need to give the situation some time. Let's go to the next currency pair again. So I want, guys, to have my money back. So nevertheless, you can see that when you are using one indicator, it is not really profitable for you. Firstly, that's because I really recommend you to work with a combination of indicators, and if you want to know about it more, that will be the most profitable for you. So you can go to my Telegram channel, where I will share this information with my own free signals. Don't forget to subscribe to it, and let's see, I will go with my $850, because I'm looking at a good entry point right over here, and see how it will work with the call option. $1,000 in the help in my pocket, and I'm really happy because you see that the MACD will show me a really cool signals. That's because I saw that after this intersection, and so like the green line will go rapidly up. And looking at these last two green candlesticks, they are going pretty rapidly up, as you can see. So the situation was telling me like 100% like to go with call option right over here. It's really, really, really cool. Let's have some fun in the next currency pair, in the last one, and I will talk about like trend confirmation, guys. So MACD can also be used like to confirm current trend in the market. If the price is rising and MACD remains above the zero line, it can confirm to like the trend of the year uptrend, and let's see how it will work out like in this situation. I guess 1,500 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with call option. So guys, you see we are working with this like situation where the price is like bouncing. Still we having this kind of time, 1 minute, if we look at developing candlestick, and I just sketched my right moment. I'm not really recommended this kind of situation for beginners, of course. Still looking at the whole situation, I thought that the situation is like making little waves. It was kind of a bounce over the price and we cashed it. I'm really happy about it, and let's go and see how it will work out in the next currency pair. And well, we're back to the New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. The situation is like that. I'm not really liking it because in the like 6 candlestick it is like going straight forward. And I will check the second currency pair, guys, and I really wanted to well, let's see, I lost in this kind of situation on our session. That's because I really want to try myself and like show you how it will work out. So I really want to show you how it is working out, that this situation can be also profitable. So that's because like $2,000 and $800 in my investment box. So I'll check the situation with put option. I'm happily telling you that I'm having $5,000.5, and I'm so happy about it. It's very nice. And in the end, I'm thinking that it will be like a good ending for my session. So that because like I will end it right over here, and like you can see that MACD is one of the most popular technical indicators. So it is widely used by traders to analyze the market and make trade decisions. However, as with an indicator, like it is important to use it in conjunction with other tools. Yes, so like in strategies to more like accurately predict price movements. So like please guys, so leave me comments below, how you like, what you like the most, like RSI or MACD indicator, and if you want like have some differences or maybe accuracy about this kind of indicator. So please leave comments down below this video, let me know. So, and if you want, of course, like detailed information about them, you can go to my Telegram channel, of course, where I will share this kind of useful information with my own free signals. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my previous videos. Bye!